everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we give you a theme to work on, and this week is pumpkins. Next week will be hot beverage. Anything that you would call a hot beverage, and post it using our hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, and also enter into Jillian Norwood's hashtag, which is hashtag Satmorn Makes, and each week we enter our projects into her collab as well. So we're looking forward to seeing that. Once again, next week's theme is hot beverage. So this week I am using an old die, which is from Cottage Cuts. Not Cottage Cuts, I'm sorry, Quick Cuts. And I want to say I got this several years ago. I think they're out of business by now. You could probably find it on eBay, but this is one of my favorite pumpkin dies. Then from Little Inker, I am using the leaves and the acorns that I have there. From Spellbinders, and I just picked this up on that last sale, Perfect Buy. I'm using Always and Forever from this set. And from Honeybee Stamps, I'm using the Buzzwords, which this one is Thankful. Gina Marie, and I'm using the largest one on this one. Make a Wish Arch Dies, and I'm using the largest one as well as that little one right there. And then I'm using this for the layers, and I just kind of cut it down a little bit. And here is this beautiful card. I thought Always and Forever Thankful was perfect. I never seen that put together, but I thought it was perfect. And I'm also going to use that for Grateful as well. But love this card. I did ink up all of my die cuts there with Distress ink, and I love how it turned out. I also added some enamel dots on there. Perfect. And I thought that black really made that pop there, but love how that turned out with all the inking and everything. And then this die here, I used the largest one for the background, and then I thought that worked perfectly. It matched up perfectly, so I was really happy about that. And yeah, so I used that, did add some leaves in there, and that's about it. So I will be entering this also into hashtag Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. Make sure you use both hashtags and enter into our collabs, and we'll come over and see you. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.